So make first circle. First make a circle. Okay, aram se make a circle first like this. After circle, okay, you just go ahead to make it straight line here. Okay, one straight line, and here you can make the one straight line like this. Okay, and then make 1, 2, and 3, like a 3, like this. Okay, first make a circle, and then 1, 2, and 3. Okay, very simple. It's like a diamond shape, right? Fine. So it's like a first draw like a ball kind of this things sign. Okay, and after that do like this. Okay, fine. So now after that we are going to, so this shape if you done properly, okay, in the middle like this. Here I just go to here. Make sure this line is perfectly green. Okay, do आराम से करो. Okay, understood? बेटा नंदिनी, this आरोही, understood बेटा? ईशान, अनुभव, yeah, Srinanda, Diptoshi, Joanna, hi Devav. Yeah, Anubhav. So now after that the next steps we are going to, okay. So yeah, now the next steps we are going
What
to.
is it like this?
Yeah. So next steps, just make it here in this straight line. You just make it here. One circle. Okay, one circle and one oval. This oval should be, make it one circle over here and make it one oval, that big oval. Okay, in this circle, in the straight line, middle of the straight line, you make one oval like this. Just oval. Okay, beta? Nothing else. Just make it nice oval. Okay, nice oval. Oval should be very nice. So now, what I do after that? Okay, after this oval, fine. We just make it. Okay, here I just add it, that oval, like this. I just add it. Okay, and here when you add, okay, you can see here I draw nose like this. Here I draw the nose. Okay, and I erasing. Okay. So I just erasing this part. After that, this circle, inside the circle, what I just erasing. Okay, beta. So then it's very good, nicely visible, that part. Yeah. Okay. So now after that, I just add over here. Okay. Here, one curve line, two curve line, like this. Okay, I just add one curve line, two curve line. Okay, here, and I create here one eyes circle. Inside one eyes, another eyes circle, and an eyes, like this. Simple. Okay. So what eyes and nose? This is a nose, I do little bigger. Okay, this is a nose. I create nose like. Yeah, I should is later on. Beta, first you focus on this. Yeah, you finish it off and I can see everything, beta. Just just first focus how to draw I show, then I can see everyone's drawing. So first this is the nose technique. Okay, you make the nose like this. Okay, and here eyes, big eyes like this, circle, circle, and the small oval inside the circle. Okay, and after that here this line goes up, and here the eyebrow, here the eyebrow. I show this same thing is here, so you can see little bigger. Okay beta, fine. And here is it. After that here is the nose. Okay, this one, this is just like this. Okay, fine. So I can make it here. Same things I do over here. So make it like this, and here you can create the this confusion. This is Alexa. The character name is Alexa over here, and Alexa always confused that. Okay, it's a lion, but he is always confused. What I did, what I do. This is, and here make it the Alexa's ear. Okay, like
Sir,
this
it's only
ear.
Alex, not Alexa.
Alex, isn't it?
Yes.
What's the name, beta?
Alex.
Yeah, it's Alex. Yeah. Yes. It's actually Alex. I do tell you wrong. It's actually Alex. So do like this, and you can make some line. Okay, from here, like this. Okay, aram se take time. You just make a line. Okay, or like this. See, I just make line. Okay, first we are doing the face and then the full body. This is one awesome movie called the Madagascar.
Madagascar.
Madagascar, yes. So I just draw the next character. You just tell what character name. Okay, let's.
Today's topic is Madagascar.
Yeah, today's topic is a Madagascar. Let's check.
Madagascar is my favorite movie.
Oh, it's my favorite too.
That's also like Madagascar.
Yes. I show that. Okay, this is the this part. Okay, you can create. Okay, so this part you can make it like this also. If we make it like this, it's more far better, because okay, actually this is not straight. I make it try to show it easy, so that's why I make it a straight line. But you do like this line, so it's more looks good. Okay, so I just first we are making only the bust drawing. This is the Madagascar, very famous character of main character basically. There lots of characters there, but I love Madagascar. This Alex is very confusing character, but he's a hero. I watched that movie just lots of time, at least 100 times more than. I love that. I start my animation career after watching this movie, The Lion King. So I love animations movie. I hope all of you love animation movie, right? So yes.
I have watched Lion King too.
Oh. Okay, I watched Lion King 2. No, okay, yeah, I also watched Lion King 2. Yes, it's also awesome. Huh? Oh, Oh, nice. Very good. What is the... Okay, very nice. So what is the mouth shape? Mouth shape like this. I show little details in here. So it is very small. So I can show here also what is the mouth shape. This is the mouth shape actually.
I'm drawing.
You just make it like dark color. This is all teeth.
I'm drawing.
Yeah, I see all drawing after this finish this drawing. Just 1 minute more taking time. I show details. The ear. What is the ear? Ear looks. Okay, ear looks like this. I draw the big ear of Alexa. Okay, ear shape like this. Alex. Yeah. Do like this. Okay, like this. So. This is the shape of ear, this part. Okay, this is the mouth part, this part up to the mouth and nose and all. This part up to the nose, so you can make it very nicely. Okay, shapes. Shapes is very important. I just want to make this. This is shapes. How to shape is coming circle. Oval. Okay, you can one circle. You can do this. So this is basically the shape of Alexa. Alex. Okay, like this. This is the shape of. Okay, this part is like this. Okay, and then I can start the eyes, nose and all. Okay, this is the nose, eyes. This is nose part. Okay, and this is the mouth part. This is the way to draw. Okay, fine. Now I hope we can go ahead after that. And this here you can make it this here you just make it like this. Okay, here like do like this. Okay, like this, not same side. This side is this side is this. See, I just make it here. Okay, okay, this. Yeah, it is that much only, beta. It is nothing changes. That much only. Yes.
I'm done.
Done.